Hi, this is Dr. Raj here with another segment of the Mohan Minute. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, something that comes up a lot in my office for patients wanting breast augmentation. They ask me, what are gummy bear implants? There's a lot of confusion surrounding this, so I feel that this episode really shed light on what it is. So, within all types of implants, you have silicone gel implants. Some of them are highly cohesive gel implants. So an easy way to think about it, think of a gummy bear. If I were to split it in half, nothing would leak out. All the contents would stay inside. It's the same thing with these implants. If I cut it in half, there's going to be no gel leaking. It keeps its shape. That's why it's called highly cohesive silicone gel. Now, the newer generation of gummy bear implants are smooth and round. Originally, they were called form stable or anatomic because the implants were shaped naturally like a breast. The top was thinner and sloped, and the bottom was a lot thicker. But now, all the major manufacturers make their own version of the gummy bear implant where the gel is highly cohesive, and if you were to look inside, it's not going to leak out or flow. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to leave or send me a DM, or you can ask me questions and I'm happy to answer them. Thank you.